What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you some advanced shortcuts for Microsoft Excel. So without taking much time, let's go straight into this video. In the previous video I have shown you some basic Excel tips. If you haven't seen that, then please see that video. The links are in the description below. And coming to few more shortcuts by making use of the keyboard. Let me show you this example. For example, you have some data in some column, and you need to move from this to this block. Then you need to click on the down arrow key these many times. But for this there is a shortcut. You can directly hold Control key and the down key together, so that selection will be directly coming to this end of the block. And likewise, for example, in this row, if there is some data and you want to move from here to here, you can make use of the command Control and left arrow, so that you will come to this block without the need of clicking the left arrow key those many times. And then coming to the few more shortcuts. For example, you have opened a lot of sheets, then you can browse between the sheets using the command Control and F6. And then to close the file, you can use the command Control F4. And one more shortcut is F12. That is, without going into the file and click on saving as, you can directly use the command F12. And one more command is Control P. It will directly go into the print menu session. And one more command is Control A. It will select the whole spreadsheet. And one more command is Control plus space. It will select the entire column that you are in. When coming to the row, if you want to select the entire row, you can make use of the command Shift plus space. It will select the entire row that you want. And if you have done an action, you have to undo it, then you can simply use the command Control Z. And if you have to redo the action, then you can simply give the command Control Y. It will redo the action that whatever you have done. And if you want to move in between these cells to the next blocks, then you can make use of the command Control plus tab. And there are a lot more commands there like that. If you want to move to the next worksheet, there is one more command called Control plus page down. And if you want to go to last cell in the data region, Then you can make use of the command control end. It will go to the last cell by skipping all those cells in between. The same case with the column also. If you want to go to the last block of the column that you are in, then you can make use of the command shift end. It will come into the last block, and control home will come into the first block, and control end will come into the last block, like that. And if you want to bold the text that you have selected, you can make use of the command control B. And if you want to make that text underline, then you can make use of the command control U. If you want that for italics, then you can make use of the command control I. The same with the different commands also. It resembles the Microsoft Word. For example, if you want to add color, then you can add colors like this. And if you want to change the font, then you can make use of the command Control Shift plus F. Control Shift plus F. You can directly change the font instead of going into this insert and then all those page layout and then font section. You can directly go into the font section by clicking on Control Shift plus F. If you want to change the font size, then you can make use of the command Control Shift plus P. You can change the font size by making use of this command. And if you want to apply outline borders, you can simply hold Control Shift plus 7 keys. You can simply change the borders. And if you want to copy this cell and paste it in some other cell, you can simply make use of the command Control C for copy, and then no need to make use of the command Control D, because if you click enter, directly the text will be copied into the block like this. You can simply click on the block and simply click on enter. And the remaining commands like Control X is for cut and Control C is for copy and Control V is for paste. And if you want to simply insert a date in a column or a row or in a block, you can simply make use of the command Control plus semicolon. Today's date will be inserted there automatically. You don't need to type. And if you want to insert the time, you can make use of the command Control Shift and semicolon. And if you want to create a chart automatically on a new sheet, then you can make use of the command F11. Automatically the chart, a new chart will be created. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. And don't forget to hit the like button, and do share this video. Thank you.